Welcome to Web Solutions Limited. We are explaining WeP TH350 Eco Installation Guide. Unpack the packing materials and check the packing contains printer, power adapter, it's a 24 volt DC and 2.5 amps max. Next, power cable, next interface cable, next thermal paper roll. To switch on the printer, please connect a power adapter to a main power source. And please make sure that power LED glows on power adapters. Next, connect the power connector to a printer. Switch on the printer. Switch on the printer. It will give beep sound, so that means there is no paper roll inside the printer. Please open the side top cover and remove the audit sheet. Insert the thermal paper roll into a printer and press the top cover gently from both sides. Next, how to take a self-test. Switch on the printer by pressing feed button for 2 seconds. Configuration self-test, which is explains you about current configuration of the printer. So here it will give a version of the printer, next interface status, next cutter is enabled or not, and beeper is enabled or not, and what is the character per line, and print density, light or dark, and default code page and print speed. Next, the bottom you can see the dip switch settings. In that you can configure your printer and you can configure your serial ports to connecting to a PC. Please take out the driver CD from the user manual packet and insert into a CD-ROM drive of your computers. Next, connect the PC, connect the printer using the interface cable and connect to a PC USB host. Faxes. To go to printer and faxes, press start and device and printers. Next, click as a add printer. Next, add a local printer and select, if it is a USB port, you have to select USB ports. Otherwise, if it is connected to a serial port, then you have to select the serial COM1, COM2, wherever it is connect. If you are connecting through a parallel port, you have to select a LPT ports. Now we have connected through a USB port, so we have to select USB port. Then next, press on next. So Now we have driver content in the CD, so we have to press have disk and press browse and browse for a CD. And select the operating system platform, whether it is a 64-bit, please select 64 folder. If it is a 32-bit, please select into 86 folder. Now we are using in 32-bit, so we are selecting 32-bit folder. So if you are selecting 32-bit folder, it will show INF file. Please select INF file and click on open. Next, click on next. So the printer list will be appear here. In that you have to select your printer model which is you are using. If you are using TH350 Eco, please select TH350 Eco. Click on next. Click on next. Next. Finish. So make sure that TH350 Eco is appeared here in the printer and faxes. To check a printer status, whether installation is done proper or not, we have to take a self-test print from the driver. So to take a self-test, please right click on the printer icon and select printer properties and press on print test page and check whether it is printing or not. So if it is printed properly, then installation is done properly. Thank you.